So, what is a force? A force can be defined as anything that uses a push or pull motion to move an object. We can categorize this into two separate groups: contact and non-contact forces. Contact forces must be touching the object to have an effect on it, while non-contact forces don't need to be touching it. An example of this would be a force called gravity. But what is gravity? This is an invisible force that pulls two objects towards one another. The larger the object, the more gravitational pull it has. But this doesn't work for everything, like our favorite lollies and chocolates. It's for bigger things, like planets and stars. This force is what keeps us and everything on the ground. Without it, we would all be floating around in space with no direction. This force also keeps all the planets orbiting around the Sun, as the Sun has a very large amount of gravitational pull. A man by the name of Isaac Newton studied this force after he was sitting under a tree one day and an apple hit him on the head. He was puzzled and wondered as to why the apple fell down instead of up or even to the side, so he decided to figure out an answer. After many years of researching, Newton realized that a force called gravity was pulling all the objects towards Earth, like a big magnet. It's question time! Which do you think will fall faster? A tennis ball or a basketball? Whoa, did anyone think they would fall at the same time? A man by the name of Galileo Galilei made this discovery that all objects are pulled toward the Earth at the same rate, no matter how far they fall or how big the item, if there's no wind resistance. He made the discovery by dropping objects of different sizes off the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy and timing how long each would take. His studies found that everything falls at 9.8 meters per second towards the Earth, and that's the speed of gravity.